Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to replace the oil cooler radiator cover. The original factory cover does not protect the radiator sides. The new one will. It is an easy 10-minute job. Use a 10mm spanner, 10mm socket and driver, and a pair of long nose pliers. Remove the two inner nuts and bolts located at the bottom of the radiator. Place the 10mm spanner on the nut behind the radiator while using the socket driver on the front. Lift the cover off the radiator. Use the long nose pliers to remove the two grommets and fit the grommets into the replacement cover. Locate and refit the new cover on the radiator. Then refit the 10mm nuts and bolts. Job done. The bike looks good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.